Reverse scoring for questionnaires in Labvanced. Reverse scoring is used when some items in a questionnaire are phrased in the opposite direction of the main idea being measured. It helps adjust those responses so they align with the overall scoring pattern. In this video, we'll see how to implement reverse scoring in Labvanced using a simple arithmetic operation using the event system. Let's get started. First, make sure your questionnaire is ready, and you've added the items using a matrix element. You could add as many questions as you want through the Object Properties window, which also lets you customize the number of Likert options too. Here, we've added 2 questions from the Emotion Regulation Checklist or ERC scale and named it Item 1 and Item 2 respectively. The Likert choices are set to 4 points, rarely or never, sometimes, often, and almost always. By default, Labvanced automatically assigns values for the Likert options starting with the value 1. So the values now would be 1 for rarely or never, 2 for sometimes, 3 for often, and 4 for almost always. Let's say we need normal scoring for item 1. For item 2, we need reverse scoring, and therefore the values need to be flipped starting with 4 for rarely or never up to 1 for almost always. To implement this in Labvanced, we just set up a simple subtraction event so that the original values are subtracted. In this case, we can say reverse score equals 5 minus original score. Let's implement this for item 2. Go to the Events tab on the top right of the task editor. Click Add Frame Event. Give the event a name like reverse scoring for item 2. Click Next and choose the trigger Variable Value Changed. Then select item 2 from the list of variables. This means the event will run as soon as a participant responds to item 2. Click Next to define the action. Actions tell Labvanced what to do when this trigger is activated. Click Add Action, then choose Variable Actions, and then set /record variable. You'll now see a pencil icon, which is the Value Select menu. Click on it. This brings up a list of options you can use to define the value to store. From the list, choose Operations and then Arithmetic. To set up the variable to record the reverse score, click Select. Clicking on the Add Variable option will let you customize your variable. Start by giving the variable a unique name, such as Item 2 Final Score. Set the format to scalar and data type to numeric. To configure the arithmetic operation, first click on the pencil icon on the left side of the arithmetic editor. Choose Constant Value, then Numeric, and set the value to 5. Now click on the pencil icon on the right side. Click Variable, then select Variable and choose Item 2 from the variables list. Finally, in the middle, change the arithmetic operator to minus. Now we've set up the operation Item 2 Final Score equal 5 minus Item 2. Click Finish to save the event. That's it. Every time a participant answers Item 2, Labvanced will automatically calculate the reverse score and store it. You can repeat the same process for other reverse scored items. As you can see here, an event to end the study and store the collected data has already been created. Now, let's do a test run to ensure that the reverse scores are being recorded correctly. First, save the experiment and go to the Run option under My Studies. Make sure to enable participant response recording by clicking on Enable Recording. Then, start the experiment by clicking the recording icon. Go ahead and give your responses. In this example, I'm selecting rarely or never for both item 1 and item 2. Based on how we set up the events, the final score for item 1 should be 1 and 4 for item 2. Click Submit to save your responses. To view the data, go to the Data View and Export section. Select the relevant variables, then click Download View, go to Session, and Trials. You'll now be able to see that the reverse score has been calculated and stored correctly.